And let's cut across to the management of Lanco Group. Mr. L. Madhusudan Rao is currently addressing the press.
As we add on today a new identity, we commit ourselves to take newer responsibilities and challenges. Moving forward, the Lanco story will not be just of a number story. It will be a story of a unique business philosophy, an undying faith and commitment, and steadfast adherences to our mission, vision, and values that we have set for ourselves. As we take our new identity, as we set ourselves global aspirations, we see a lot of challenges coming, and Lanco today and our leadership are prepared to take the new challenges. Global aspirations require global mindset in all our Lanconians. We wish to achieve this by the stated desired culture that we have drawn, 15 elements covering under 3 dimensions of business, global presence, and individual dimensions. And we will take it forward within ourselves, and over the year we will practice and we will reach to our desired culture to meet our global aspirations. The biggest challenge today is the human capital. We are trying to address this by a unique model called the LEO competency framework model. LEO is something unique that the Lanco HR subsystem has developed: leadership, entrepreneurship, ownership. 8 elements in each of these dimensions, covering 24 elements, which are more of the competencies, will be openly told to all the Lanconians, and we wish to motivate, inspire even a young budding talent entering Lanco to understand his growth and where he needs to live. This LEO framework will act as the medium for all our HR subsystems. We also want to mitigate the challenges of recruiting high talented people by committing ourselves to a world-class facility called the Lanco Academy, which in very recent times, along with our global consulting firm Accenture, we have developed this framework, and which we are going to initiate very shortly. We wish to address our future talent, almost more than 90% of which in the future will be coming from our Lanco Academy. And the most important is how we see and how we shape Lanco moving forward. Lanco started as a family-run business house, and today, in 25 years back, 2 family members started it with a handful of people, and today, after 25 years, there are only 2 family members in the business, where we are 7,000 people strong. In the past 2 years, family members of Lanco envisioned a serious commitment to the business, the growth and prospects of how to take Lanco into the future. In the last 2 years, we held multiple deliberations in association with the Pricewaterhouse family practice in Dubai, and came out with a family constitution which elaborates on multiple guiding principles on which the Lanco will move forward.
All right, that's the management of Lanco Infra, Mr. L. Madhusudan Rao, talking about new business initiatives, thrust on growth, and also on the way the company is going to be structured over the next couple of years. It's time now we go across to Ketan Thakkar, who's joining us now from Manesar. He's been continuously